Hey, what's crackin', B? It's your boy Six, man, Northland Records. You already know, making that guap. Out here doing my thing. I'm a boss. Anybody wanna mess with me, come holler at me, you know what I'm saying? I'm making this little video, cause I know motherfuckers like to hear me spit that crack, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna give y'all a couple bars, let's get it. Money making time, yo. I sell trays and dubs. 2 speakers keep my bass with bud. Blue Eagles will reach you and fill your face with blood. Gallons leaking from your mug, it's causing basement floods. Even if your snails had shells, you couldn't phase my slugs. I got 1,000 niggas, folks got 1,000 niggas. So duffel bags full of bodies getting found in rivers. And fuck robbing you pussies, I take your mama skrilla. Have her cooking my food, I call that bitch Mama Tigger. How you gon' pop me with the same guns I popped you with? G you for your jewels like the Nazis on some cocky shit. Picture me being chased, I might just stop and piss. Show you the back of my gun, the clip look like a hockey stick. I'm a true fever, my people say I'm hot and sick. Even if you spit what I spit, you wouldn't be hot as 6. Fiends yelling at me like sell me a brick, but one hit to have them looking like Tales from the Crypt. You dead? Man, this some new shit, man. Let's get it cracking, yo. It's like, let's get this moolah with pistol shooters and biggest Rugers. Confetti cake is what I steady make. I'm rich from Buddha. A boss added, I sit with Hoover, the shit confusion. And my mama, it's nothing, just listen, loser, let 6 abuse you. A line of vets, plenty soldiers as they riders, yes. Stay on the ground with X, fiends say that mine the best. If it's a problem, I solve them with nines and texts. Keep trying to swallow my beef, it got side effects. Nigga on the G, just a little sample for you niggas, man. Holla at your boy, myspace.com, official Young Six, Northland Records / Bossland Records, making that money, 100 grand. You know what I'm saying? This is my page, man. Get at me, man. Shout out to my nigga Fitted, my nigga P. Ruger, my nigga Dramatistic, Young 20, my nigga Ville, you know what I'm saying? Bonneville, check out his page, my nigga Crucial Phase, Smurf G, you know what I'm saying? Free Smurf G, you know what I'm saying? He been locked down, he get out in April, you know what I'm saying? Much love to my nigga Rufus just got out, man. We out here doing our thing. Time to get this money. Shout out to my little brother Whisper, you know what I'm saying? All the rest, shout out to my son, you know what I'm saying? That little nigga hold your head up, B. That nigga a soldier. Holla at me just like his papa. You know what I'm saying? Get at me, man. It's nothing. Money making. Northland.